Oh, I feel like Ralphie from A Christmas Story. Or not Ralphie, Randy. Ralphie! I can't get up. I can't put my arms down. Morning.
Good. How about yourself?
Good day out, huh?
Hope so. There's one. Little guy, maybe? Little baby.
Pretty sure that's what I got going on.
There he is. Gotcha, buddy.
Huh?
Little guy, I think. Oh yeah. Little baby on the stinger hook. There he is. Yeah, but he might be hooked funny like the other one. Getting bigger?
You see the button for water? There might be water in it.
You got him? Double trouble. Walleye or sauger? Good job. This is a little honey hole right here.
Where?
Huh?
Right in the middle.
Oh.
You know what I hate? Down
What?
at night, I'll be sitting there all night.
There you go.
Being like, why am I still moving?
Nat or not?
I would say so.
Yeah.
It's a a good one.
That is a good one. Right in the lipper. Right where she needed to be. Got it?
Yep. I'm not even letting it drop all the way. What'd you do with that last one?
Put it in.
So I assume this would go with that one.
Yeah. You hold on a second.
Yeah, you got it.
Same thing you just said. Didn't even hit the bottom.
Here's the walleye.
Mine's a walleye. All right, go get bigger, bud. Good one. Good one. Grab that net, bud. Head shaking. There we go. Luke comes back.
Pull it out.
Luke
We
comes
don't get a
back.
mess.
I'm used to lipping fish.
Yeah, you don't want to lip too many of them.
Hold on. There we go. You can keep that minnow, bud. Not a giant, but when you catch all them small ones and you catch a decent one, it feels like a hog. Oh yeah, it's a good one, no doubt. But initial hook set, I thought it was going to be a 20-incher. It just sat on the bottom, shaking it.
It's actually starting to calm down.
Yep,
What are we up to?
I said that, huh?
What are we up to?
I'll look here in a second. So when I looked at the wind, it looked like it was going to be 10 mile an hour, but then it was going to switch to from the west, and that's what it did. And it's going to be just like Friday. Remember how nice it was right here Friday? Because we had that west wind.
Yeah, this one's going in the bucket.
Oh yeah, I like the color on him. It's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Look at that.
I don't know, we're going to find out here. Feels decent.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Soggy boy? All right, there's 11.
Too fast.
Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, we're eating him.
No.
One more.
As soon as I moved,
Yeah.
as soon as I put it on the...
All right. Dropping down there for one more tanker. One more good one. Right away, get the net. This is him.
Jim?
Oh yeah.
Head shake?
Yeah. Heavy as heck. Heavy as heck.
Oh, I don't want that.
foul. Oh, we'll go bigger. Plus he's foul hooked, so he's going back. That's why it felt like that.
Where we at now? Because I thought I was on spot.
There's one. Feels pretty decent.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Depth?
Yeah, probably better just in case. I got him. What do you think?
That's up to you. I don't give a shit either way.
Let's go.
Tell me now.
Let's call it. Wind's picking up pretty good. Anyways, folks, that's a wrap. Me and Corey just limited out. We're gonna go home and celebrate with some fish, and maybe a bush light. Anyways, we're gonna go up here and talk to these good old boys who let them know where we finished out our limit at. So hopefully they can get theirs and get out of here too. It's always good to make friends on the water. Be nice, be courteous. We're all out here to have fun. Nobody owns the water. It's God's water. Using hair jigs and minnows. 3/4 ounce hutch jigs. Get them from the Bait Shack, Dubuque, Iowa. Vertical jigging, staying vertical was key today. Boat control was key today. The wind sucked. Seemed like when the wind switched from the south to the west, we did a lot better, which is pretty cool. Anyways, folks, this is Luke Reeser. Thanks for watching. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.